here is what it looks like set up with my laptop on top of it. And it is actually pretty unsturdy. So if you see this design, it collapses like this, which is pretty easy. No, it's not as easy in these flips. Hold up. It also doesn't stay up very well. These little legs here, as you can see, come out pretty easily. And that happens often when you're having your laptop on the stand. Anytime you try to do that, it usually, like, that happens all the time. So that's not real convenient. So it's not very sturdy in that way. It's hard to like move it or put it in. And it's also hard to use the plugs on the side unless you are moving it, which is problematic because it doesn't stay open. It does come with this one cable here that connects to the docks on the side, and you can see them there. And there's lots of ports, which is really great, except that the ports, the cable that you try to connect to anything that is a screen does not work. I've tried it with screens for projectors in smart rooms and even with my portable monitor, but it does not do anything. It cannot support video, as you can see, completely blank. It'll often say no signal because it's not a strong enough port to do that. It does upload video from SD cards, and it allows you to plug in other things that don't need a lot of power, I should say. But it doesn't help for video. So if you're hoping to use this for an external monitor, this is not going to be helpful for that. While it is beneficial to use when I'm traveling, so it's nice than using the other things I've had when I travel with the other stands. It's nice because it collapses down pretty easily. I'll show you. Yeah. And it folds pretty flat. So that's great. But the ease that it does that is also problematic because just as easily as it folded down like that, it can just as easily fold down while you are using it. So not a bad product. I mean, I guess you get what you pay for, but it does not support very much. It really is something you should use on a temporary basis, and definitely don't expect to use any kind of screen sharing or broadcasting on a different monitor or anything like that. Oh, there you go. Proof. No signal. So that's just proof. There you go.
Hey guys, I just want to show you the product that I just bought that has all these 8-in-1 slots. This one doesn't work with my USB-C. And when you expand it, there's no locking mechanism. And when you open it up, these things are, you have to carefully lock them in place and check if they're on the same level or not. But this one is the old one, has nothing in it. It's cheaper, Yet when you expand it, see, it locks. Just showing you that that's how it is.